Hello and welcome to the video tutorials of Autodesk Fusion 360. As you have seen in the thumbnail, I am going to create a small bottle of glass material. So for that, I am going to create a sketch of a rectangle. By selecting this rectangle, I am going to select this center rectangle from here and going to create a 100 into 100 square, and by using this extrude command I am going to extrude it to 100 so that I can get a proper cube. And I'm going to create another cube by using this free form so that I can remove the inner part and I can create the portal. So for that I'm going to use this free form, and using this free form I'm going to create this box at this bottom part. So click on the bottom plane and create a box like this and make it a square like this. Click OK, and pressing left click 2 times on this box, use right click and click on move so that I can make it as an center. And after creating this, I'm going to create a spline between this inner part so that I can get a I can cut the inner part, but before this I'm going to apply material onto the cube so that I can make it a transparent material. So going to the body, here in the body I have two bodies, one is inner part, one is outer part. By clicking on this body, click right button and choose physical material. After using this physical material, I'm going to apply a class on this. You can also see in the render panel we have applied a class on this cube. So come into the design again, and then we have to cut this inner body. So first I have to disable the outer body. Click here, go to surface, click on sketch, use this center and use the spline like this, and use this extrude command for the patch for this surface modeling here, and use select this profile, click on symmetric by selecting this and use this to extrude it. And going to the solid again, I'm going to split body. I split this body by using this as a split tool. So click to this split body. Body to split means I'm going to split this body, and a splitting tool I'm going to use this split tool to split this body. Click OK, and now I get this body 2, and this is my body 3. So body 2 is unusable, uh, unusable, and also body 3 is unusable. Okay, so we are going to work only with body 1 and body 4. Also you can see by using this section analysis, by selecting any plane where you want to section see the inner part of the body. This is used to create components or bodies inside the component or body. And for example, I am going if I want to create the bubble for this water here, which I create this, so I am going to use this. First cancel it and use this body as a name this body as a box and name this body as a water. Okay, now if I use this section analysis again, I can see this is my inner body. But the thing is, we haven't removed the um, inner area of this, so I'm going to use this unused, both this water and this unusable body, to remove some part of the cube from the inner area. So to split body, I'm going to use this body to split, and I'm going to use this as a split tool. Click OK, and you can see now this is the water, it is bottom, and this is the box, and this is also a box which we don't want. So this is how we can use this. Now we can go to the section analysis again. If I see there is some hole, and this is our water, I can make more videos on this topic. If you have any doubt regarding this, comment in the comment box, like, subscribe and share. But now I'm going to create this as a perfect bottle. So I'm going to select each and every edge of this cube so that I can create a fillet command. Using this, I'm going to use the fillet command over this. Okay, done with this. Now I'm going to create a hole over this surface. This is in the bottom, which is good for us. If you want to make anywhere in the face, you can make drag it, and we have created a hole. But we need to extrude more this hole, because this hole is touching this inner area at before reaching at the bottom. So we are going to edit feature and use this drag it down to get more large. Now use this fillet at the inside of this, so that we can get more smoothness. And also we are going to create a sketch over this, so that we can create a body over this, like for example, if you want to create a cap on this, we can create a cap. I'm going to use it as 30. Click OK, and use this extrude command to extrude it a little bit like this. I'm going to extrude it to 20 only, and using this thread, I can make thread over it. But I don't want to make thread over this, because I'm going to create only a simple cap over this. So this is how we can create till now. And in this, I'm going to create a cap. So for that, I'm going to select this upper area and use this sketch command again to create a cap on this. I'm going to create cap like the here to here, here, and also here. Click OK, and use this extrude command for the outer area for the two side, because we also want this area little bit up, but not like this. I'm going to create it as a 4. Yes, it is correct. Going to create a new body. Sketch is height for this now, so I'm going to use this sketch show to me, and I'm going to use this surface to extrude at the bottom like this. This is not working. Going to select one surface again, use this till here, but I don't want to make this. I want this to here, and use this to join to this body, and I want this box to be hidden for this time right now, and click OK. Make this box to be shown to us, and again use this part and this part extrudable, like this. Make this box for some time hidden, and we have created this. And now I need to create a cap, inner part of the cap. So I'm going to make it like this. I can see by the using this. Good. Well, we have done with this. Click on the join, and using this sketch, we can hide our sketch, and using this fillet command we are going to fillet it down a little bit like this, which is looking good. And also we are going to make a fillet in this. Okay, now we are going to apply material on this. So this is our body, which is to be renamed as cap, and in this I'm going to apply a physical material which should be wood. Wood means this. Okay, now close and make this box open, and I'm going to apply a physical material also onto the water. So use this physical material again, and liquid water to the physical material. Okay, close. Now if I go to the render panel, I can see my portal clear with the water. This is how we can create a bottle inside Fusion 360. I hope you have cleared your doubt with some features inside the Fusion 360. In the next video I'm going to make bubble inside this water. So make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the like button, subscribe button and share button. For this I'm going to render. We need to save it. So first we have to save, after that we can render only. So I'm going to save it as a glass bottle. Okay, it is saved. If I click on render, I have to go to the custom, and using this custom I am going to 1920 1080. After using this 1920, you can also use this student education license from the Autodesk Fusion 360 is given for free for the 3 year, and there is final, and click on to the render. Rendering is started, and I'm going to click on the design again. Now you can see this part is movable because this is a cap, and this all the separate bodies are movable. You can use this by pressing left click 2 times onto the any part, or use the right button to use this move and copy. By clicking onto this, you can move your sketch anywhere in the scene. So rendering is going on. After rendering will be finished, I will resume it. So my rendering is finished, and you can see here my rendering is if you render anything into the scene, your rendering will be stored here, and this is my rendered image. You can see that it is very clear. And you can also use exposure to make some changes inside this, and this is looking perfect for the scene. And still is not looking good for us, for me, because some error in the rendering. And you can try you can try from your own, so that you can get clear render. In this you can see I cannot see the clear view of inner part of this portal. So I'm going to mm, make this as a good viewable area. Okay, and for this design, going to the design, you can also delete some part, like this is unusable part, you can delete it. If you don't want this, it will, so plus control Z. I think if I delete this, I will also delete the another part of it. But some part you can delete, like uh, this box I can delete. I think no, we cannot delete this box. So the object you want to want to see in the port, you can hide, you can show, you can use this I button here to show them into the port. And those you want not to show in the port, you can hide them. However, I don't want, I cannot delete, I don't know how, why I cannot delete this. uh, I think the object is linked with the another one. So if I delete one, it will also delete the another part of it. But if there is a single entity, single component in the inside this bottle which is not related to this portal, we can delete those objects. So thank you for watching, and hit the subscribe button, like button, and share button. Hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt regarding this video or anything inside this software, you can comment in the comment box. Sure, I will make video on this topic if this is topic is well for me. And thank you.